Hello guys, this is our new app, the U-tec internal, and I will show how to register our new product in this app in the video. And now just open our app, and we can see its front panel, and to add a new device, and choose the smart lock, and choose the new model, the bolt fingerprint, and tap next, and it will scanning the device MAC address, actually the Bluetooth signal, and when we scan it, just choose the correct device, and choose the edit mode, and we choose the U-tec app, and now we choose we can input the default password, and normally it comes with a lock. Okay, it's next. Okay, now we can input our new password. Okay, now the lock has been registered on the devices, and now we can fill in more information for this lock. Okay, now we can see the lock has been added under the app, and we can controlling it. And for more features, like we can add our fingerprint on this lock. Like now you can see my fingerprint is not passed right now, and we can add one more. Okay, now the fingerprint has been added, and we can try it. And that's it. Oh, and after that, we can see that all the locks under the lock function. Okay, you can see here is a new lock. That's it.